Learn the names and uses of kitchen utensils in English. If you're new to cooking, or if you're just looking to expand your kitchen vocabulary, this is the video for you. In this video, we'll cover the names and uses of some of the most common kitchen utensils. Knife. Used for cutting, chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients. Cutting board. Provides a safe and clean surface for cutting, chopping, and preparing food. Frying pan or skillet. Used for cooking a variety of foods like eggs, vegetables, and meats by frying or sautéing. Saucepan. Used for cooking liquids, sauces, or small quantities of food. Pot. Used for cooking soups, stews, pasta, and larger quantities of food. Baking sheet or baking tray. Used for baking cookies, pastries, and other baked goods. Mixing bowl. Used for mixing and combining ingredients for various recipes. Whisk. Used for beating eggs, mixing ingredients, and incorporating air into batters and sauces. Spatula. Used for flipping, turning, and lifting foods like pancakes and burgers. Tongs. Used for gripping and turning foods while cooking, especially on grills or stovetops. Peeler. Used for peeling the skin off fruits and vegetables. Grater. Used for grating or shredding ingredients like cheese, vegetables, or fruits. Colander. Used for draining liquids from foods such as pasta or washing vegetables. Strainer. Used for straining liquids from solids, separating seeds or unwanted particles. Measuring cups and spoons. Used for accurately measuring ingredients for recipes. Oven mitts or pot holders. Used for safely handling hot pans, trays, and dishes from the oven. Can opener. Used for opening canned goods. Rolling pin. Used for rolling out dough for various baked goods. Pepper mill or salt shaker. Used for adding salt and pepper to taste in dishes. Ladle. Used for serving soups, stews, and sauces. Basting brush. Used for applying sauces, marinades, or oils to food during cooking. Timer. Used for keeping track of cooking and baking times.